seizes huge amount of heroin from Assam-Nagaland border. KSA initiates temporary repair of road in Phelang, Bangchom, Arlen. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. Despite regular interception by the police and security forces, smugglers are still carrying out a supply of drugs. However, the Karbi Anglong police had been very active and alert in this case and had been preventing the success of the smugglers. After the police personnel at Khatkati seized ganja from a truck on Sunday, similar cases were reported from Lahore region and Khatkati on Tuesday. Acting on a tip-off regarding carrying suspected heroin in a Tata DI vehicle coming from Dimapur, police set up a special checkpost in front of Lahore region PP under the command of Lahore region PP in charge SI Manujal Gogoi. At around 4 a.m., a Tata DI vehicle with registration number AS25 DC 6816 was intercepted, and on the course of thorough search, 33 soap boxes containing 572 grams of heroin were recovered from a spare tire of the vehicle. According to the police, a preliminary test through drug detection kit was conducted on the seized substances, which proved positive result for heroin. The whole procedure was under the physical supervision of SDPO Bokajan and in presence of OC Dilai PS Raju Bahadur Chetri. Two persons identified as 25-year-old Saddam Hussain, son of Sabar Ali, a resident of Panchamukhi Tengatal under Sungajan police station in Golaghat, and 29-year-old Kasem Ali, son of Tajamul Hussain of Lalunggaon under Juria police station in Nagaon district, were arrested in this connection. In another incident during a search operation conducted by the Khatkati police led by SDPO Bokajan John Das, APS along with Sub-Inspector UB Charan Mohan Chetia, SI Mridul Rudra Paul and staff in the area of Nothang Basti under Khatkati police station. 30 soap boxes containing 364 grams of heroin were recovered from a scooty bearing registration number NL07 R6728. In connection with this, Sanjay Pradhan, son of Bhaira Pradhan of Nothang Basti Khatkati, and Tiva Agustin, son of late Kuba of Lai Rauching village under Mao police station of Senapati district in Manipur, have been arrested. Sources say that the seized drug has tested positive for heroin after the preliminary test by drug detection kit. Seizure and sealing of the boxes of heroin made on the spot in presence of independent witness. Anantarang from Bokajan, Vijarangpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. The Congress party in the district is busy reviving itself before the assembly elections. The Bokajan Block Congress Committee had on Tuesday held a party workers meeting in Bokajan. More from our correspondent. The meeting was chaired by BBCC President Budheshwar Inki Kathar and assisted by Secretary Ranjit Terang. KADCC Vice President and former KAAC EM Ratan Inti, KADCC Secretary Surendra Singnar, Daniel Inti, Satra Teron, Menketan Maji and leaders including Rajan Bora, Chandan Patikar and Sarsing Inti were also present. A total of 345 members from BJP, HSDC and APHLC parties pledged their allegiance to Congress during the meeting. While addressing the meeting, Chief Guest Ratan Inti said that the present BJP government had failed to deliver on its promises. He also pointed out the various aspects where the BJP had failed to serve the state. He appealed upon the people present to work hard for the victory of Congress in the upcoming elections. He pointed out that the BJP is not bothered to help the poor but is helping the rich become richer. KADCC Secretary Surendra Singnar welcomed the new members of the party and thanked them for showing their trust in Congress. Anand Terang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Deputy Chairman of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Nomati MAC Ritesh Singh had on Monday visited Ahutuli polling station, which is located in the Nagaon border and is the farthest part of its constituency. This was the MAC's first visit to the area after the last MAC elections. He was accompanied in the tour by members of number 16 Nomati Constituency Mandal Committee. This polling station is about 20 kilometers away from constituency's party office and is located in the Karbi Anglong to Nagaon border. During the visit, the MEC had conversation with the residents of 4 local villages and learned about the problems they are facing. The people especially urged the MEC for construction of road to connect their village. MEC Inghi assured that he would take up the issues including road and other governmental schemes in the area. Mandal President Jyoti Timung and several Mahila Morcha members were also present during the program. Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbeng Long Live. In a news coming from Koilamati located under Nilip constituency, local KSA team had taken the lead to make temporary repair of road in Phelang Wangchom Arleng along the number to Koilamati PWD BBDC road. This road has been lying in a very pathetic condition for several years due to movement of vehicles has been severely affected. Traveling through this road have become a daily suffering for all commuters and especially the people of the area. Phelang Wangchom Arleng in particular is a steep and long hill and even vehicles find it difficult to climb. Sometimes even moving back and even incidents of brake fails have led to several accidents as well. Despite knowing the poor condition of the road, the authority had not taken any measures to improve their situation. Occasionally they would drop some stone chips which are easily washed away by the rainwater. The Koilamati KSA team visited the spot and approached the local sand gravel exports company and asked for filling up of the deep potholes. The company accepted the request and sent its dumpers and excavator along with the KSA team for road repair work. They immediately began the work and the road is somewhat better now. The team was led by Koilamati KSA branch president Rafael Terang, Secretary Samuel Phangcho, several other members including Dinesh Bey, Prodium Tiso, Devin Teron, Alvin Terang, Stephen Bay. Samson Inti from Koilamati for Karbeng Long Live. The school authority on Monday carried out sanitization work in Krungjeng English ME School. This was done to make students and staffs feel safe as they return to school from today. As per the guidelines of Unlock 4 issued by the center and state government, schools and colleges had been permitted to open, but without taking regular classes. Assam Education Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma earlier said that schools will remain open for informal teaching and had asked all staffs to remain present in school from September 1. In addition to this, the minister has also directed that all institution buildings be sanitized and cleaned properly, and that everyone will have to follow preventive measures to avoid any chances of spread of coronavirus. Accordingly, the authority of Krungjeng English ME School had carried out sanitization drive in the school on Monday. Headmaster Borsing Ingling led the sanitization work and said that the students and staff should feel safe once they come back to school. Vicky Bay from Satgaon for Karbeng Long Live. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbeng Long Live.